हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप लोगों को मेरी लास्ट कुछ वीडियोस भी पसंद आई होंगी और आप आगे भी मेरी वीडियोस देखते रहेंगे और उन्हें लाइक करेंगे और सब्सक्राइब करेंगे। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब बटन ज़रूर दबाइएगा सो दैट आपको मेरी आगे की वीडियोस टाइम टू टाइम मिलती रहें, और बेल आइकन भी ज़रूर दबाइएगा सो दैट जब भी मैं कोई वीडियोस डालूँ तो सबसे पहले आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिले। ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद टुडेज नेल आर्ट। आज का नेल आर्ट है एक वाटर मार्बलिंग नेल आर्ट, जिसमें हम मार्बल इफेक्ट बनाएंगे बट विदाउट वाटर। इट्स वाटर मार्बलिंग इफेक्ट विदाउट वाटर. We will be making the water marbling effect on this, the marbling effect on this plastic sheet. So let's get started. आज मैंने अपनी एक नई नेल पॉलिश लगाई है. This is my Faces High Shine nail polish in this shade Berry Punch. मैं जल्दी अपनी सारी फेसेस की जितनी भी नेल पॉलिशेस हैं सबको रिव्यू करूँगी और आप लोगों के साथ सबकी पिक्चर्स और वीडियोस शेयर करूँगी. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और कीप फॉलोइंग मी. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई एम सॉरी, मैंने अपने इस नेल पर कुछ भी नहीं लगाया हुआ है. All these nail polishes got removed because of the remover while doing this one. So I'll be doing this one later once I'm done with this. So let's start. सबसे पहले हमें चाहिए कुछ nail polishes अलग अलग कलर की. ये है मेरी 269 शेड की लवी डवी nail polish shade from Nykaa. Then we need this color. This is Colorwear nail lacquer in the shade Desert Rose. आपने मेरी Colorwear की सारी nail polishes की रिव्यू देखी हुई हैं. I have mentioned the link down in the description box, and I will be reviewing a few more soon. So stay updated with my blog. नेक्स्ट हमें चाहिए दिस बेरी पंच जो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाई है. दिस इज़ अ क्यूट पिंकिश शेड. फिर हमें चाहिए एक टॉप कोट. दिस इज़ माई मिनिसो पिटोरा नेल पॉलिश टॉप कोट. ये भी मैंने आप लोगों के साथ वीडियोस में नीचे शेयर किया हुआ है. गो चेक आउट द लिंक, प्लेलिस्ट ऑफ नेल पॉलिश रिव्यूज़. एंड लास्टली वी नीड दिस white nail polish. This is Marshmallow by TS. I will soon be posting a video about TS nail polishes, showing you all the shades that I have. I have about 10 shades from this brand. Then we will need a stamper. मैं आज अपना सबसे छोटा स्टैम्पर यूज़ कर रही हूँ. This is Conad. This is by Conad and it has a very nice fluffy silicone stamping sponge or whatever this is called. Then we will need some tools. This is my clipper to clip on the extra edges. Then this is to make sure all the edges are clean and I get the proper shape. And then I need my dotting tool. मैंने डॉटिंग टूल को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं और 2-3 नेल आर्ट इससे बना के आपके साथ शेयर किए थे. सो प्लीज़ चेक आउट द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड ऑल्सो सी ऑल माई प्रीवियस वीडियोज़ अबाउट नेल आर्ट फॉर बिगिनर्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सबसे पहले हम अपना ब्राइटेस्ट नेल पॉलिश लेंगे. आप कोई भी नेल पॉलिश यूज़ कर सकते हो, विच एवर कलर दैट यू वॉन्ट. And yes, you will also need a plastic sheet. You can use a small plastic sheet or you can use a large plastic sheet. That depends on you. So सबसे पहले हम अपनी fuchsia pink nail polish को लगाएंगे this way. By the way, this video is on demand by one of my followers on Facebook page. I'm sorry, I don't remember your name, but this is for you, and I hope you know how to do this kind of nail art using a stamper. after seeing this video. And अपनी मर्जी से कुछ भी पैटर्न क्रिएट कर सकते हो. द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट वाटर मार्बल इज़ दैट every time you make a design, every time you create a pattern, it's going to be different. It will never be the same. It will always be different. So that is the beauty of this nail art. So you mix it a bit, mix it a little, and that's it. I forgot to take the cotton to clean up my tool, my dotting tool. And you just pick up your silicone, this nail art stamper, and then you just slightly, very gently, you dab on it, and then you have the pattern. That's it. This is this easy. Now you can cover this entire portion with it, or you can just leave it like that if you have a desired shape for your nail. So I need a shape for my my index finger and my ring finger, so I think this would be enough. You can always grab a little more from that and just let it dry for some time. In case you are using gel nail polish, then you will have to cure your gel nail polish under UV light, and so that it dries up quickly. Gel nail polishes dries up really quickly if you cure it properly. In case you are using normal nail polishes, you can see over here that I have used normal nail enamels, and these are not gel nail polishes. These are not gel nail polishes. These are normal, usual nail polishes that are available in the drugstores or online. So this nail art is super easy. Once you have captured a pattern on the stamper, just let it dry for some time. Not too dry, otherwise it will be brittle and you will not be able to transfer the shape onto your nail. So just make sure that it is slightly dry, and very slightly, just like it will take about 10 to 15 minutes maximum if you have good nail polishes. And I'll suggest that you avoid using quick drying nail polishes, as they are not good for water marbling effect. They tend to dry too quickly. As soon as air hits them, it dries up too quickly. So it is better to stick to the usual nail polishes that are available with you. If you have gel nail polish, then make sure to cure it properly once you have like transferred the design on the stamper. And so that's it. So if you're thinking that you will have to throw away this portion, no, you can always use this nail polish that is, it's there on the plastic sheet as well. Just leave it like that. Once it starts drying up, and just you can just slightly pick it up and use it along with this one. So you have two patterns, this one on the plastic sheet and one on the stamper. You can always use both of them. It depends on you. Like if you don't want to use the plastic sheet one, it all depends on you. You can just leave it, and it's there for use or throwing away, whatever you want. I prefer to use it because I spend a lot of money on my nail polishes, and I try to avoid wasting any of it. So let's wait for them to dry. So once your stamper has dried up and it is ready to be transferred on the nail polish over your nails, because it is slightly difficult for someone who is doing it for the first time, or someone who is not very frequent with the stampers. So I will suggest that you pick the design up gently with a tweezer, or with your fingers, carefully, very gently, very carefully, and place it over your nails. You have to follow this method just like just like we did with the nail art decals. Consider this as fragile as a decal, so be very careful with this one while transferring it. While I was doing all these, I took a liberty to create few more designs, and I have already done like few of them. Like one is here. These are dried up pretty nicely, and these are ready to be transferred on the nails. So since this is very quick, and this is like not very quick nail art technique, I prefer to make few of these designs whenever I'm free, or whenever I have some extra time. I make these designs on plastic sheets and I leave them just to dry up, and I leave my stamper with the nail polish pattern and let it dry while I'm doing other things, going about my life. So I used all these excess ones for completing my nails here. While I was waiting for this to dry, I did using these ones. I did this nail art using these, and other parts of these. Actually, this was a very large piece, so these are just the remnants of that. I'll be using them for other nail art pattern, where I'll be like chopping it up in triangles, or other stripes and other shapes, for creating a simple nail art design with marble effect. So here is the final look. Since you know that marble effect looks very different every time, so it is not always possible to create a similar pattern every single time that you use this technique. So don't expect to have the similar pattern, but you can create patterns with the same waves and same nail polish colors. So use your creativity, use your freedom of creative designs to come up with different colors, different patterns for different swirls. Like this one has, like I use the same nail polish for both of them, and this one has a different pattern and this one has a different pattern, different swirl pattern. The ring finger has more whites visible, more pink, light pink is visible, and over on my index finger, on this finger, these are more darker colors are more visible and being dominant. So it's your choice and how you like to come up with the pattern, come up with the design, and create it and show it to me on my Instagram or on my Facebook. I'll be waiting for them. So thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and like my video. I will be really thankful to you, and do mention in the comments if you like the video, and if you want me to make more videos for you, any particular tutorial or any particular design that you want me to create for you, I'll be happy to do that, and I will be happy to suggest how to make certain pattern or design or anything about nail art.